Hi guys, welcome to your 18th tutorial XHTML, and in this I've made two paragraphs down here, see here, and one paragraph and one heading, actually two paragraphs. Now what I'm going to look at here, I've already put some CSS in here for the paragraph. I've given a font family Arial, I've given a weight, I've given a style, and I've given it a color. But what I want to show you is this weight thing, okay? Now if I just show you that, I ran that and showed you the weight, see it here in the paragraph, right? That's how it is, right? And if I go back in here and just put bold, so bold's just a set standard, okay? Now let's see if we notice any difference on this one. Okay, let's just try this. Right, so we don't, okay? So let's go back to what I just showed you there with the size. And if I put in, say, 300, okay? I think this goes up to 800 in total, but it's just to show you that you can put in different amounts, right? Now you see the change. So there's 300, okay? So if we got back up here again, and we put in, say, 600, we save that, we refresh our page and see what we get this time, okay? Right, there you go again. So you just don't have to put bold in. You can put in an actual size of the weight that you want, whatever you think you're going to need for your folder, for your project, you see? So that's what I've done here. I hope you enjoyed this one because it gives you an insight into what you can achieve in the color, in the weight. So just change that, guys. Sorry, I got interrupted there myself. So there you go. There's font family. You put the weight in. You can change that. You put bold in, or you can just put in exactly what I've done here, showing you different sizes that you can use. Right. I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.